one.
Hi, good evening. This is Success Mamus Edo from Nigeria, and I am here as a swing forex trader, a 30-year-old forex trader living in Nigeria, and want to prove to people. I started this channel, I think today, and I want to prove to people that yes, forex works and forex pays. Now, for starters, I just want you to understand that we need patience in this game. Okay, it's a game of probabilities and patience. You have to either wait for the market to give you opportunities before jumping in. We do not just jump into the market just simply because we know the definition of forex, or simply because we know how to press the buy button or the sell button on our MT4 application on our phone. So what happened, what motivated me to start up a YouTube channel is because I realized that there is a very high level of poverty, especially from Africa, where I'm from. And I realized the people that I look up to, majority of them are not even from the country, are not even from Africa, not even from Nigeria. And I discovered that a lot of them are doing so well. And I also know very few successful traders. I pray to be among them. I'm talking about the successful traders also in Nigeria, young guys in their early 20s, and they are doing massively very okay. Now, with all that being said, I want to inspire you to understand that yes, you can make a lot of money from trading the financial markets, which is the foreign exchange, which is also known as forex trading. Now, over here is my screen. Over here is my screen. This is the Euro USD pair daily time frame. That's what this is right now. But I want to show you how I was able to get, or to rather to make $4,000 from this particular chart. Now, at first, we need to apply what we call the top-down analysis. The top-down analysis. It's very simple. Do not let any grammar confuse you. It is simple. Top-down analysis simply means going from a perspective of a bigger time frame and scaling down gradually to the smaller time frame. Now, the biggest time frame available to us right now is the monthly time frame. Now, the first thing I should do as a forex trader are to plot out my levels. Plot out my levels. Where what are my levels? I'm talking about areas where the market has reacted the most. We have one here at the very top. We have another one here and here and here. Now, over here, this is an area of resistance, meaning that this pink bar is kind of like an area that shows you that for some reasons price could not break through this place. Every time price came here, it came down. It tried again and it started to fall down. Now this, on the other hand, is another place for resistance, meaning that every time price came here, with all the candle wicks showing on this part, over here, it shows that this area of resistance prevented price from going any further. Now, this is a down channel. From what we can see here, this is a down channel. Now, price on this ground have moved from this high, making lower highs, kept coming down until they got to this level. Now, with all that being said, was just a little introduction on what has been going on the Euro USD. Now, back to where we are at the moment. First of all, we spotted a double top here. If we scale down, now we have confirmed from the monthly time frame that we are on a downtrend. If we simply scale down to the weekly time frame, yeah, you can see that weekly. If we scale down to the weekly time frame, you can see that we had a double top here, and double top, according to the laws of price action, states that price supposed to come down after hitting a major resistance. What prevented price from pushing further? Price now began to fall down. Now I'm going to show you that Euro USD has been on a downtrend. The Euro USD for ever since I can say on the daily time frame, I believe it will be more visible. Yeah, now you can see I can say gladly that ever since this is November 2021, yeah, okay, let's pick it from here. This is January and this is February. So from the beginning of this year 2022, the euro has been giving only selling opportunities. So as such, anyone that has been buying the euro might have been gambling. That's what I would say as a professional forex trader. This pair would have been better you have been trading, or it would have been better you have been trading only sell opportunities, in as much as to prevent yourself from getting burnt, because you just might want to try to buy here thinking, oh, this is a double bottom, now price wants to go up. But now can you see what's going on here? Price got to this place and suddenly price could not break any further, because there is a down trend. There's a trend line that is pointing downwards that has held price from the beginning of the year, and this is September. Now, without saying much, let me show you exactly what happened on this trade. So price came down here, which is an area of support. The one on top is called the resistance, preventing price from going further, and then the one down is your support. Now let me show you here very quickly. Now this is our area of support, meaning that price has been prevented from going down. But how did I know that price was supposed to come down further so that I can make this money and make this sell? All right, let me show you one quickly here. So for every time, this is a daily time frame, as you can see. This is a Euro USD daily time frame. For every time the forex market came down, each of these candles represents 1 day. So you can imagine what happened after price got to this level of resistance. Let me take this away from here so you can see very well. After price got to this level of resistance, price came back down all the way. Now, how did I take that trade on my demo account when I was practicing, just to prove to myself that I now understand the concept of price action? I brought up my Fibonacci tool. I draw from swing high to swing low at the time. Now, this was my swing high at the time, and this was my swing low at the time. Price retraced back. This is almost like, should I call it a perfect trade? Because price came back all the way, retraced. This is called a retracement. Price came back all the way to the 61.8 level, which is a perfect zone to sell or to buy, depending on the trend. For an uptrend, I would say buy, and for a downtrend, I would say a sell. Not only that, okay, let me tell you something. Forex is about a game of probabilities. What are your reasons for taking this sell on this particular one before you took this other sell? Number one, Fibonacci showed us that price has gotten to the golden level. Number two, the trend is pointing downwards. Number three, the price reacted on a semi support and resistance level. How? This here is an area of resistance that came back becoming support. In forex trading, we call this break and retest. That ended up making this to become from a support becoming a resistance here, and then that's about three confirmation for this trade. And then lastly, candlestick pattern. This is I can call this a little bit of like an evening star. An evening star, which was also a sell signal, because price got to this area and depreciated. That is, the candles, if you notice, this candle is big, and then this candle is small, and then this candle started to gain momentum to the downside. This is a momentum candle to the downside. Now, as such, this is the place whereby we can now put our Okay, this is just something to map out the area you want price to go for you, should in case it goes well for you. So this was a very tight trade, and this was just what it is. This was just what it is here. How price came back. You must take 100% of your retracement, take out some profits and watch, because if you are expecting price to just drop down here, price might not drop down almost immediately. It took price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, by 18 days. It took price almost 18 days to break out from this support level, and then price came down all the way down here. And I already, from the top down analysis, I already know that price was going to react. As you can see, price is reacting on this level. Now, another reason why I took this trade was not just because price has broken out from a place of support and resistance. Another reason why I took this trade is if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you refresh, you discover that this ordinarily is a correction phase. Most traders call it correction phase, but then again, this is also called a bearish flag pattern. If you are familiar with price action, you will understand what a flag pattern is, a bearish flag pattern. Now, this is a bearish flag pattern. What happens after a bearish flag pattern? The downtrend is going to continue. So over here in the 4 hours, you can see a break and a retest before price finally fell down all the way to my take profits. So I hope that I know this video isn't not much right now, but I can do many more and better videos in the near future. I just wanted the channel to kick off so that, you know, the most important thing is for people to get the ideology of the trade. That's all. So, all right, I'll try my best to do more analysis for you again. All right, thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Subscribe and like the video, and share the link, you know, for people to see that yes, it is possible to swing trade. That is, swing trading in the real sense is you trading at a more relaxed scenario. You can place it, you can analyze, place a trade, and get on with your day-to-day activities. Go play with your family, go play a game, or go do something. You can even get to do other jobs while Forex is making kind of like a passive income. I will not really say passive, but it's kind of passive also, because day traders, they have to be available on the front of their screen 24 hours of the day, but that's not the case for swing traders. As a swing trader, I can place a trade and just go there to check it maybe once every day or maybe twice daily, just to make sure that you know, maybe the market have not gotten some sort of to gain volatility, because maybe not all trade can hit take profit, but we shouldn't be greedy in this game. If you've made a substantial amount, we should learn to quickly close our trade, secure our profits, and then, you know, we be patient, awaiting another opportunity. Thank you very much, guys.